everyone. Today I'm reading a new story because I have done all the Peppa Pig story. I'm very happy because I done it. And the new year is being all the world. So today I'll read the story Beautiful Birds. Let's read it now. Meet the birds. Look, what this is soaring for the bright blue sky. It's a beautiful bird. How can you tell if something is a bird? Birds are only animals that have feathers. All birds also have two wings to lengthen a beak. Birds are warm blue. A bird body temperature stays the same no matter how warm or cold it is outside. Feathers, wings, beak, legs. Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are flyers. They use their wings as flippers to swim through the water. Not all flying creatures are birds. Bats are mammals. They have hair, not feathers. There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds. They all live over the world. Birds come in every colors you can possibly imagine. The peacock's feathers look like this close-up. Birds have excellent eyesight. They use eyes to spot food. Some eat plants, some eat fruit, some eat other creatures. Insects, birds, mice, and snakes. Birds make sound to communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be trained to repeat words. Warbler, tweet, duck, quack, toucan, squawk, parrot, hello. Some birds migrate. They have travel long distance every year. They fly to cold place for the summer and warm place for the winter. Many birds build nests. Nests are perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to raise chicks. All birds lay eggs. Amazing bird. Want to meet some amazing bird? Major blue stog wingspan of up to 13 feet. Wow, that's a winner that the best. Pigeon falcons are fastest flyer. They can go 90 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way faster than the quickest person ever. 25 miles. Cheetah 17 miles. 17 miles. Persian falcon 19 miles. Ostriches are a bigger bird. They can grow to be 9 feet tall. An ostrich bird even tower over the tallest basketball player in the world. Ostrich lay the largest bed of any bird. Ostrich hen. The smaller bird is hummingbird. Sometimes the tiny workers fly into yard to seek nectar from flowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You only have to look around. Some hummingbirds are just 2 inches long. These special birds can hover in the air. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Bye bye. Happy New Year.